Hey guys, locally lost Lapidary. Got some Botryoidal Malachite Chrysocolla. Got two nice little nuggets here. They're about powder blue. Got the malachite on the inside, powder blue on the outside. I figured these will make a nice set of earrings. So I'm gonna get them on the HiTech Diamond Slant Cabber and get them polished up and looking nice. When you do this Botryoidal Malachite, it usually has eyes in each of these creases, and it looks really good. It looks like a little brain, you know? It's awesome. Or a bundt cake. All right, let me go ahead and get to work on that, and I'll see you at the cabber. And here we are. We're all dopped up. Just use the traditional thick super glue. Put a nail on there and threw a dash of baking soda. Stuck like a charm. All right, got the 80 grit. I'm just gonna go ahead and go straight to the time lapse since I'm doing two of them, and we'll see what we get from there. Okay, so this is interesting. I put it on the 80 grit for just a little bit because I started to notice what was happening. I really like how, like, the further you go, the different colors you hit. And what was happening is, like on this one, it has that shell. See how it has that shell? This one had a shell too, but it just popped off. I guess it's just from the 80 grit being too heavy with it. Maybe I should have started with the 180, but I'm fine with it. It's fine because now I have this cool color pattern. You know, the green to the powder blue, and I decided to go ahead and keep it. So I'm not going to work too much on the grinding. I'm just going to go ahead and smooth out these deep scratches and get to the polishing pads because I really like this color. And yeah, this one too, the shell stayed on this one. It looks really cool. I've managed to have a bag of these shells I saved, and it looks like this is what they're gonna tumble to, some patterns. So that's cool. I got a bag of these. I don't know what I'll do with them. Maybe make some rings or put them in resin, make some nice jewelry with that for sure. But look at that. Hopefully this thing stays on. I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm gonna be real gentle with it because I'm loving the color play on this one. And so much for the earring idea. I don't think these are gonna be earrings anymore. They're most likely gonna be individual pendants. All right, let's go ahead and get onto the 180 just for a little bit and just get to the polishing pads as fast as possible. I don't want to lose too much material on these at all. All right. Here we are, looking great, real good. Again, I didn't want to push it too much. And then there's this one, really green, but you can see all that blue too. I think there's another layer of blue coming out, so that should be popping out with those pads. All right, let's get to the 300 grit just to get these big scratches out. All right, so actually I'm gonna go back to the 180 and get a little deeper in here. Get some more of this blue out just on this one. This one did fine. This one looks great. But I'm gonna get some more color variation to pop out of this one. So let's get back to the 180 for this. Here we are, got it cut down. Knew some new nice patterns were underneath that. Looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this straight to the 300, and I'll meet you at the silicon carbide bath. These are looking great. Just look at that color. Jesus, it's beautiful. I'm loving this, man. I'm so glad I have a couple other pieces too. It's gonna make a great pendant. Gosh, such beautiful color. Check out the other one. Beautiful. There's eyes everywhere. Gosh. Alright, I'm gonna take these. Go, man, look at that. Go clean them off, and I'll be back to start the polishing pads. With the 325, I'm just taking it real easy. Like I said, I don't want to lose any color. It's looking real smooth, real polished, and really groovy. It looks good. I can't get over this piece. Had to run inside and show my fiance. And then the other one's looking excellent as well. Look at that. Real smooth and polished. Yeah, now we're halfway there. More than halfway. Now I gotta do the 600. God, I love these pieces. Alright, on to the 600. Done with the 600. God, looking like a turquoise turtle shell. So majestic and hypnotizing. Someone is gonna love this piece. And the other one, just as hypnotizing. Looks like a medulla oblongata. Alright, on to the 1200. And we're done with the 1200. These things are looking awesome. Ready for the cerium oxide. I took it real easy on these. Hardly used any time at all when I polished them on the pads. Barely grinded them on the diamond pads or the diamond disc. Just real easy. And I was able to keep all that color. Very soft material. Alright, on to the cerium oxide. And here we are, the Botryoidal Malachite Chrysocolla. Look at that. Beautiful color. Check this one out first. God. Mirror shine, looking slick and wet. Just perfect. Perfect piece. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably turn it into a pendant like I do everything else. It's looking great. Malachite bunt cake. Let's check out the other one. Ooh, there she goes. I love all the eyes on this one. Just orbs everywhere. Let's slide back a little bit. See some more of the color. See that green, the powder blue, even some teal. Seafoam green. That's what people like to call it. That piece is looking great. Make an awesome gaudy ring. Look at that from that angle. There you have it, folks. Some Botryoidal Malachite Chrysocolla. Another success. This was locally lost Lapidary. Thanks for staying to the end. Make sure to subscribe. Uploading new content daily. You guys have a good day or a good night. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.